exercise 4.1. First question, if the cost of the 8 apple. So 8 apple is equal to rupees 56. Okay. So what they are asking, cost of the 12 apple. So first of all, what is my 1 apple rate? If you know, if you are having a 5 chocolate means for 5 rupees. So 5, this is chocolate, then price. 5 chocolate, for 5 rupees chocolate you are going to. So price of the chocolate is 5. So 25 rupees you can say. So if you are having a chocolates, 1 chocolate for 5 rupees, 5 rupees. So 2 chocolate for 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Are you clear? The same. If you know the 1 apple rate only, you can find out a 12 apple rate. Okay. So what I am doing, in this place I am having a 8 into 1. 8 ones are right. So in multiplication, 8 is moving this place. In this place what? 1 apple. 1 apple is equal to rupees 56 by 8. I can divide and find out my 1 apple rate. Okay, this is totally 6 apple. So addition of the rate of the 6 apple. So I am getting, so I am going to divide. I can find out my 1 apple rate. So in 8 table, how much time? 7 times. So what is my 1 apple rate? 7 rupees. What they are asking? 12 apple. So the cost of 12 apple is equal to how many apple? 12 apple. For how much? What is the rate? 7 rupee. Are you clear? What is the rate? 7 rupees. So multiplication, 7 12s are, okay, 7 2s are 14, balance 1. 7 into 1 plus 1, 8. We already know 12 sevens are 84. But I am telling like this. So rupees 84 for 12 apple. First of all, you know about 1 apple rate. Then find out the rate and multiply with how many terms? The same. So if the weight of the 1 fruit box is this much, mixed fraction, okay, 1 fruit box is this much, equal to this. What they are asking? Weight of the 6 boxes. 6 boxes they are asking. So directly they given how much kg. So they are asking 6 boxes. So first of all, find out 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 kilogram for 1 box. What they are asking? What about the 6 boxes weight? So 12 apple means 12 into that, right? So 6 boxes the weight is equal to how much box? 6 box. 1 box is 7 by 2 kilogram. So I can find out. So this and this cancel 3. So 3 is 7 kilogram versus 21 kilogram for 6 boxes. Are you clear? So 21 kilogram. A car travels 6 kilometer with 3 liter of petrol. So car is traveling. Okay. So 60 kilometer distance travel. Okay, distance travel equal to 3 liter of petrol. 3 liter of petrol. What they asking? So if the car has to cover distance 200 kilometer, what is my 3 liter of petrol? That's only they are asking. If you know 1 kilometer of the distance, you can multiply this 200, you can find out, right? So what is mine? This is nothing ma. If you increasing your petrol, your kilometer also increase. That's it. So your kilometer is increasing, you need a petrol is increase, right? Depends upon this. So your liter is increase means I can travel. This is my kilometer. So my liter is x1 by y1. This is my y1. This is x2 by y2. This is a direct. So my liter of the petrol is increased. My value is increased, right? That's only the given. So what is my, so distance is nothing but where x value. This is my x1 means, for example, having tabulation like this means my x term is liters, my y term is kilometers. Okay. So what is my kilometer? 3 liter of the petrol for 60 kilometer. So 200 kilometer, I don't know what is my x value. That's what I am asking. So x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. So what is my x1? 3. What's my y1? 60. Depends upon the liters. Okay, petrol only you are traveling. That's why this is a x. So if your petrol is increased, your y value increase. So we already studied direct proportion means the value of x increasing means value of y increasing. Then only we can use this direct proportion. Okay, that's only we are using this direct proportion. So what is x2? I don't know. That is, I don't know means as it is x2. What's my y2? 200. I can cancel this, right? So one time this is 20 times. So cross multiplication 200. 1 into 200, 200. So 20 is equal to x2. 0, 0 cancel. In 2 table, 20 for 10 times. What is my x2? 10 liter petrol can travel 200 kilometer. If you have a 10 liter petrol only, you can reach 200 kilometer. Are you clear? If your x term is increased, your petrol is increased, your y distance also increased. That's the major part. So I am having a 7 meter cloth. Okay, 7 meter cloth cost rupees this much. What is the cost of the 5 meter? That's only they asking. Okay. So what they mean, if your cloth rate is increased, okay, if your cloth meter is increased, your rate is increased. Okay, are you clear? If your cloth meter is increased, your rate is increased. So this is my x, right? So I can divide what they mentioned, 7 meter cloth is equal to rupees 294. I need 1 meter. If you know the 1 meter only, you can find out what is the rate of that. So this is moving that place 7. In 7 table, how many time it will move? 28 for 4 times, 14 for 2 times. So 1 meter rupees is 42 for cloth. Okay, so what they asking? 5 meter cloth. So 5 into 42, how much it will come? 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 20, 21. So 5 meter cloth is rupees 210. Are you clear? If you know 1 meter cloth only, you can find out. So what they mention, if a machine in your cool drinks factory fills 600 bottles in 1 hour, 600 bottles in 1 hour, then it will fill dash bottles in 1 hour. Okay, depends upon the time they mention. So what they mention, so for 5 hours you filled 600 bottles. Then what they asking, for 3 hours how many bottle will it is possible? So this is my x1, this is my y1, this is x2, this is y2. Depends upon r only the bottle is increased. Okay, so 600 by 5 is equal to, by using the direct, okay, I know x2, so 3, so I can cancel in 5 table, 6 for 1 time 10 for 2, 20. So 120 into 3 is equal to, this is cross multiply, 0, 6, 360. So for 3 hours, how many bottles filled? 360 bottles filled. Are you clear? 360 bottles. That's only I written in this place. So distance traveled by a bus and time taken or in direct proportion. So what they mention, if your distance is increased, your time taken, your time also increased. So obviously it's a direct. So if your x is increased, your y also increased, right? So that is true. So expenditure of a family to number of members of the family or so expenditure, if you are having a 2% only means your expensive facility will be decreased. But if your number of members is increase in family means obviously the expense also increase, right? So depends upon the number of members in family is increased. So that's also true. The number of students are still and consumption of the food or not indirect. So if student is increase, your consumption of food also increase, right? But what they mention, not increase. So that is a false. Okay. If Mallika walks in 1 kilometer in 20 minutes, then she can cover the kilometer in 1 hour. So 1 kilometer in 20 meter. 1 kilometer in 20 meter means 1 kilometer you know means you directly multiply. So what is a 3 kilometer? So 3 into 20. So 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, right? So that is true.